Hi, my name is Jessica Manon, and I am here from New Season Christian Church, Hallandale Beach, Florida. And I came to Accelerate because we are part of a growing church, and we want to see our disciples go to the next level. We want to see them mature, and we know the life groups is the right way to do it. So we saw this opportunity, and my lead pastor sent me to this conference, and I am so happy to be here. I'm really glad I came to Accelerate because I came out of here with a plan, with an action plan for the next steps to grow my life groups, to take the people to their next level in their walk with Christ. And I know that this is going to impact so many people, that this is not going to stay here. Guys, I just really recommend that you come to Accelerate if you have the chance, because it changed the perspective and the way I look at life groups, and I know it will do it for your church and for you too.